Well, hello everybody and welcome back. It's Jenny and we had to run to Dollar General. I'm cleaning my yard and I need trash bags. And I'm burning trash, so I also need some lighters. And I thought this would be a great opportunity to show you how you can do some creative couponing and get those items that you don't have coupons for cheap as well. And you want to know, so like and share the video on your way in. It's so important. YouTube wants us to have 1,000 views anymore, and that's why I'm coming to the store for you. So 1,000 views, we're claiming it. Help me out, guys. Put this in your Facebook feed with a note that says please share it, pass it on, and I love you bunches for it. Allow the video played all the way to the end, please, including those ads. That's so important. And leave me a comment. I like to know that you're still there. And Saturday's rolling around. Are you going to do a Saturday deal too? Because on Saturday, I want to know how much money you saved all week long. Yep, I'm going to let you know that on Saturday. How much money we saved all week long. Because right now we're doing a scenario a day. So if you haven't subscribed and you're stopping by, take a moment, hit the subscription button and that notification bell. We give you daily deals every day. Whether or not we have a 5 off 25, you still get a daily deal. And you get a scenario for when you do have that 5 off 25. So come on, guys, let's go in the store and let's see what kind of deal I can make to get me some trash bags and some lighters. Holy moly, look at this. It's not even August yet and we got Halloweeny out. It's getting worse and worse, guys, I swear. It's terrible. I mean, summer's not even over and they're putting Halloween stuff out. Ooh. Green clover. Look at the mesh seat cushion. I think I might buy me one of those. Yep. Green dot home, purple clover, and purple dot. That's the buy one get one free. Oh, look, it includes pillows and a big green pillow. Yep, look at this. Playing cards, guys. Look at all the what playing cards. Okay. Sometimes DG baffles me. Okay. These are little spoon rests for $3. These are really cute. $3 red dot. Okay, like I said, I need trash bags because I'm doing some yard work. Oh, what we got? Okay. We're going to go with the hefty because the hefties are 2 for $10.50. And there really is no coupon for these. So this is the reason why we're going to do this deal this way. So 2 for $10.50. We want to do one big bag and one small bag. And I think we're just going to do the clean first. Okay, $10.50 for these two. Now, if I go get lighters, that's going to be like $4 and change. So we're going to go pick out our lighters real quick up front, and then we're going to look for our fillers. Now, I do have some earned money, and this is where that earned money comes in really handy, because, in the middle of the week, or like now, all of a sudden I'm cleaning my yard, and I discover I need more of this stuff. And I have some spend money that I can use. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to use that spend money to spin this down some. Alright, the lighters are up front, so we're going to go around the front. Okay, now this is what I've got in my buggy. I've got my trash bags, I got my lighters that I need. We have a $3 off one of these. That's going to make that $2.75. You always need batteries in your house, okay? You got little flashlights, and if you don't, you need to get you some. But you always need batteries, usually at some point. So, matter of fact, I just replaced some batteries yesterday. So, yep, gotta get replacements with replacements. And I'm saving $3 by doing so. So we are at $10.50. These are $4.85. So we are at $15 and change, another $5. So we're like $21 in my buggy right here. So we are about $21 in my buggy right here. Now, if you don't want the lighters and you don't want the energizers, no big deal. We can pick up some Scott products. Okay? Paper towels and a toilet paper. And another toilet paper or another paper towel. Okay? You've got $1 off of toilet paper, $1 off the paper towels, and $3 instant savings. So that's $5 off of a $15 purchase. Alright? So, with an additional $5, you're looking at $10 off of, what would it be, $10.25? We're still going to need something else, okay? So, you're still going to need to go over it by 3, so you can pick up the batteries if, I think you need the batteries. Or you could pick up the Desante water that we picked up in our last video. Okay? And your out-of-pocket is going to be, what did I say it was? So you'd be getting a total of $13 off Energizer batteries, 2 hefty trash bags, and 3 Scott products. So, almost half price, guys. Okay. Alright, so here we are close. We are at $10.50. We are right at $21. We need something else. So I'm going to go try to find something that is cheap or almost free that I actually could use. Well, I can't use any more Febreze, but I'm always using the small spaces because they go well next to the litter box. So we're going to see what we have in the small spaces, because I think I still have a coupon. Or do we have, yes we do have, the useless thing here. Okay. We have so many of these, all of us do. Alright. I mean, we have so many that they are basically disposable. You pull one out of the wall and throw it away. So what I'm thinking, we could add this product and we'd be paying $1. We'd be paying $1 for this product and not need it. And that's going to give us still, okay, that will give us $3, $6, $11 off of a pretty close to $25 purchase. So let me get the exact math real quick. Now, if you need diapers instead of trash bags, put the diapers in there. Love's diapers, 2 of them, is on sale for $15, you have a $4 off. Okay, so if you need diapers, get rid of this. You pick up 2 diapers, your batteries, and this. Okay, what you pay for your diapers. Your batteries and your air wick will be free. Okay, so if you don't need trash bags, substitute diapers if you need diapers. But I need trash bags. Or substitute your Scott products. So 15, 20, or something for $4, excuse me, because you have to go over by 3. So yeah. And of course you could use, your Febreze. So this is the deal that I think I'm going to go with, because I think it's going to be better, even though I got this stupid thing here. If I were to do the 2 Febreze, it would be $3.25. I'd pay out of pocket instead of $1. Okay? So, and the fact of the matter is, to be honest, I don't need any more Febreze right now, and I don't need this thing. But I do need to make my $25. So the best solution for this would be to actually do this product. Because in this deal, it's more about having the lowest out of pocket for these 3 items that I actually need. And so I'm going to make a little quick round to the store so we can see if there's anything new that we haven't seen, or that might bear repeating. And then we're going to head up front. And I'm going to head out, and, well, we'll see you when we go over the receipt. Like I said, bears repeating. Bears repeating, guys. Okay. The Swiffer, okay, they got new heavy-duty mopping cloths, okay. The 2 for the 10. You pick up this, and you pick up the Febreze warmer. You will be getting $18 off. So you'll be paying $6 for these items right here. $6. Wet mopping cloths. Okay, and this is the wet mopping cloths for pets. It almost makes me want to change up my deal. But like I said, ooh, I do need the trash can bags. Choices, guys, choices. We don't have to make choices this week, do we? Because I can do this tomorrow. Yes, I could do this tomorrow, because the out-of-pocket is going to be super low. And you know you want to know, so make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Okay, guys. The air wicks are excellent filler items, and these batteries are really good filler items. Because, like I said, they are good fillers. Alright, we're going to head to the register, and we are going to use some of our spend money to spend some of this down. Okay? Really, because I don't need anything else. And, we'll be back tomorrow for the Swiffer products, because they got plenty. Okay, guys, we're back in the car. Let's have a look at what we got. We've got my trash bags, the air wick, the Energizer batteries, and the lighters. And I want you to look at this. My final out of pocket was $14.10. So $14.10 was my final out of pocket. And I think that is an excellent winner chicken dinner deal. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 items, we had a savings of $12.40. Like I said, I think that's a winner deal. And on top of everything else, I used my spend money and spent this down to $6 and some change. So, again, winner chicken dinner, guys. On things that I actually needed. Well, almost everything I actually needed. Sure didn't need the Airwick thing, but yeah. So, blessings, and I'll see you again. Because, like I said, tomorrow's a new day, and we'll have another deal. And you know you want to know. I'll see you there. Blessings.